Hi students, welcome back to ChemOrgChem. So in this NEET Chemistry 360 series, we have been exploring the solution for previous year NEET Chemistry exam papers. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification. Let's see what's today's problem. So this is the problem from NEET 2022. So in this question covers two important concepts. One is ozonolysis and another one is nomenclature of organic compounds. So according to this question, here you can see that compound X on reaction with ozone followed by zinc water gives formaldehyde and 2-methylpropanol as product. The compound X is. So here you can see that the four compound names are given. So let's solve together to find the which one is the correct option for this question. So in order to solve this type of question, so first we should find the structure of compound X, then followed by we should derive the compound X name, then we can compare the given names. So in the way we can easily solve this question. So let's moving to the solution. So before moving to the solution, let's talk about briefly about ozonolysis reaction. So ozonolysis is one of the important organic reaction. So according to ozonolysis reaction, alkene react with ozone. So initially which produce ozonide intermediate. So this ozonide intermediate quickly collapse when we use zinc water that produce this type of carbonyl compounds and hydrogen peroxide. So here what happened? Here oxidative cleavage takes place when we use zinc water. So this is usually we say reductive workup. So for better understanding, so what you do, you just take ozonide intermediate. So now you draw one line that exactly cut the half of this compound, and similarly another line you can draw like this. So now you see, so this ketone coming from this half of the ozonide intermediate, and similarly this aldehyde coming from so this part of ozonide intermediate. Now this remaining one oxygen joined with water that produce hydrogen peroxide. For better understanding, now you take this example. So the same alkene, what you do, you just draw a one line across the alkene. So now you put oxygen each side. So now you cut this part and add oxygen this part as well as in this part, so which produce these two carbonyl compounds. So from this ozonolysis reaction we can easily understand that the compound X should be one alkene compound. To solve this type of question, we need to work backward. So for working backward, here you can see that, so this reaction produce formaldehyde as well as 2-methylpropanol as final products. So in order to work backward, what you do, you just remove this oxygen as well as this oxygen. So now you connect these two fragments, so which produce this corresponding compound X. So here you can see that. So when you connect these two parts that produce this alkene, in order to cross check our assumption, so you just draw a one line across the alkene. So now you put oxygen here as well as another oxygen here. So now you cut this part and put oxygen this side as well as this side. That will eventually end up with formaldehyde and 2-methylpropanol. So therefore this alkene is our compound X. So next what we do, we should name this alkene. So for that you just start the number from this carbon. Since this carbon contains alkene, no other functional groups are present. Therefore, here you should start number 1 and this is number 2 and this is number 3 carbon. This is the fourth carbon. This chain is butane chain. So now you see this third carbon has methyl group and first carbon has alkene. So therefore name of this compound is 3-methyl but-1-ene. So this is the name of compound X. So let's moving to the our question. So now you compare our compound X name. So our compound X name is 3-methyl but-1-ene. So which is exactly matches with our option 4. So therefore the correct option for this question is option 4. That's it for today's problem. I hope this video has helped you to understand this question. If you enjoyed this session, just give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Chem or Come for much more content like this. And finally, thanks for watching. Bye bye.